everybody there. Everything increased today. Ayaga, yo, man. Everything in the air, so. Just a friend rest. Uku kana me chopa. Bra.
Respect to the most high, them Babylon soldier, them boyaka. I man them dreadlock.
We run things not wrong. Anything we do, if we do properly, run down. This is why we say only Jamaica to take the stand nowadays. Wow,
and now you go tell the person with the old, because this your part was on 1872. Okay, my people, now know how the thing they be. This na I, they read. On top that, Ogbongele television station was Zobia TV. This na that bus will get 4 drivers, 4 steering, and only 1 bus, just to give you a comfortable Saturday evening. Una know how the thing they be. My name is Eleno, and of course I get here my brothers, MC Shaggy. Of course, the total one of Nigerian comedy, Lucky Shide.
Honestly spoken.
Yeah.
We need to make sound for you now.
They did not reach. Una know how they do them every day for the show, from Laugh Out Loud to Enter to Read, Don't War. And we always encourage our people, if I get to you, we don't war, we see for newspaper. You see I'm for television, you hear I'm for radio, on Aproko. Send and give us for ID Read at wazobiatv.tv. Or you see if you follow us for Twitter, we be at Wazob at the Read. Even follow us for at Wazobia TV self. Yes. We're there on Twitter for that particular one. Today on top, Laugh Out Loud. Make we see the video before I talk, because as it is now, I want to see it before I talk. Let us all confirm it together. Yes. See, life is there for everybody to enjoy.
Yes. No matter your condition.
No matter your condition, enjoy life.
But what you can understand now,
enjoy
for
life.
every madness, you get 2 things where mad people they do. At that particular time, they're normal. See this dance where this guy dance now. On a good day, now dance where normal person they dance. I'm not just saying they mad at that moment. And if mad they sleep, not be saying they mad. Nothing wake. So to every madness, there are 2 things.
You didn't dream. You didn't dream.
What you did they try to
dream? No, you know they mad for a dream. Until you come life. So 2 things.
You don't mad before it, you know.
That shows say music get life. Music get spirit. You get your spirit.
Not if you beat happiness.
Not at all.
Yes. Not if you beat happiness. Anything where they make you happy, do it well. Do it. No be say well, everything where they make you happy. Say waiting they make you happy now to go rob people. Turn that way go fire you. Still they do press up.
Straight down.
Oh, like if na laughter, watch comedy. If na dance.
Yes.
If na movie, go watch.
Go act.
Or
if na food.
Or if you say waiting they make you happy now to go press person die for night. As wish,
no, I'm the Holy Ghost fire, thunder with fire.
But some wish, they try to depress people. You get this bastard for area. This guy hefty, say people they fear him for area. But you know how this guy take die? The guy sleep, no wake up. Now let this C4 die.
On that battle.
Like this, that means he was struggling with somebody. But the power that be, they're too much. Like this, now the guy said that. Like this. Bemu not be guy name. Bemu.
The way he grabbed if he say what we call Jesus.
Wish must not they fight wish.
But I never hear big man complain say wish present for.
No, it depends on the area where you do now. You know, say area different.
Like somebody like
Dangote.
Somebody like Engineer Me Musalina. You wake up say, man, I have a terrible nightmare. Witches were pressing me in my dream. No, show the press big man.
Yes, now money that go collect.
Yes.
No, MD dream now to dream say
I want to build new.
I want to build new
station.
Or maybe dream say the economy don't get problem, so people mind the way you use electricity.
Mind the way you use water.
In
the office off AC. Use paper two
Bounce back,
times.
man.
They print. If you use this side, turn arm, use that side to print.
Because the economy is just, you know, MD saying that since 1984.
Now, poor man, we don't get money. We no man know you want to chop. Now they say print wish. What did they press for your body? Because wish they know they stay where AC dey. Now for darkness they come. That's why they know if you go out your own AC wish you can come. They're going to follow the drag juve now. This place to go. Whatever makes you happy, do it. No matter the circumstances, make yourself happy. That is why we are here, to make you happy. Every Saturday on top of this television station. This, now the red. We want to go break, so we'll go drink small water. When we come back, we go enter Tori the way wawa. And trust me, I know say what we talk say we Tori wawa. Iwawa, we is coming back.
So, did you like what you just saw? I know you did. It's very simple. If you want to see more, just subscribe to our channel right now.